Hello guys, it's Techno Shaggy and today I'm going to show you how to connect two different networks in Cisco Packet Tracer. Here I'm using a router, two switches and four PCs, and you need to choose these devices from here. From end devices you can select any PC according to your network and according to wish whatever you want to choose, and from network devices you can choose any router, and I selected 1841 router, and you can choose any switches from here, and I'm using 295024 switch. So the next thing, we need to make connections. For making connection you need to make sure that which wiring you are going to use. So for different devices we will be using straight through cable, and for same devices connectivity we will be going to use crossover cable. So as you know that here we need to use copper straight through cable. Just click on it simply. Fast Ethernet 0, fast Ethernet 0 by 1. Again click on the wire, click on the PC and connect it to the switch. Now we are going to connect our switch to the PC, switch to the router, sorry. Fast Ethernet 0, 0 by 1, 0, 0 by 2. Now finally let's connect the switch to the router, 0 by 1. We made the connection. Now the next thing, we need to assign IP addresses. So I've already given these IP addresses. I need to just click on the PC, IP configuration, and you need to choose static as you're assigning IP addresses manually, not dynamically, as DHCP is used for assigning IP addresses automatically. 126.16.0.1, it will assign the subnet mask automatically. Now the next PC, 126.16.0.2. Now let's assign IP address to the router, fast Ethernet 0 by 0, default gateway. This IP address is called default gateway, through which you will be connecting your router to the switch. So 126.16.0.3, same class you need to use, and you need to make sure whether this router is on or off. If it's off, so you need to click it on. Now we are going to connect this PC to the switch, and here I'm going to use a different class, 192.168.0.1, 192.168.16.0.2, sorry, 92.168.0.2. Now you need to assign default gateway, fast Ethernet 0 by 1, 192.168.0.3. Turn on the router. We have assigned IP addresses. Now you need to assign default gateway through which you are going to connect your PC or your switch to the routers. IP configuration, default gateway is the IP addresses of the router, 126.16.0.3, 126.16.0.3, 192.168.0.3. Finally this PC, 192.168.0.3. We assigned the IP addresses, and now each and everything is done. Now let's ping this PC to the routers and this PC to this PC whether they are working or not. Command prompt, ping 126.16.0.2. It's successful. Reply is coming from the next PC. So now let's ping router whether it's working or not. 16 dot successful. Now let's ping the other network. Ping 192.168.0.1. Reply coming. So mean we are connected to the next network successfully. Now let's ping this PC to the router whether this is pinging or not. One 192.168.0.2. Reply is coming. Now let's ping the router 192.168.0.3. Reply is coming. Now let's ping the next network whether it will work or not. Also it will work. 0.2. Oh, finally it's working. Now let's check it. Here it's showing successful. PC to the router. Successful. This PC to this PC. We made the connection successfully and our network is working properly. As you are seeing the output, the result is successful. This PC to this PC. Let's check it. So this is done. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And inshallah I will be back with my next video. Bye bye.